Welcome to Learning Made Easy. In today's video, we are going to learn about words that begin with letter P. The sound of letter P is P, 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 P. Penguin, P, P. Panda, P, P. Pumpkin, P, P. Pear, P, P. Pencil, P, P. Parrot, P, P. Pineapple, P, P. Pillow, P, P. Pink, P, P. Polar bear, P, P. Pond, P, P. Popcorn, P, P. Pizza, P, P. Pen, P, P. Pants, P, P. Paint, P, P. Piano, P, P. Pan, P, P. Pie. P is for penguin, panda, pumpkin, pear, pencil, parrot, pineapple, pillow, pink, polar bear, popcorn, pond, pizza, piano, pants, pen, pan, paint, pie.